You're about to become a holistic hair and scalp growth specialist in your city or town. If your work includes healthy hair and scalp health, especially for Black and Brown clients, or among folks who frequently use moisturizers, chemical straighteners, and colorants, you know that our number one struggle as cosmetologists, trichologists, or even dermatologists is helping our clients grow and retain healthy, shiny, full hair. Well, I know something dermatologists don't know, and it's made me Denver, Colorado's premier hair growth specialist. Listen, most of my clients were currently under a dermatologist's care or were in the past. And among 400 clients, I've had a 100% hair regrowth success rate. And I'm not talking about regrowing just an inch of hair. My clients have gone from bald patches and severe alopecia to long, flowing, and luxurious looking hair. Just look at these before and after photos of my real clients under my care. I've been so successful at regrowing hair that it's the only service I offer because I can hardly keep up with the demand. With this training, you're going to become a holistic hair and scalp restoration practitioner in your city or town. Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to MYWater Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't believe that.